Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you free up a domain from Google Workspace email. Suppose you created Google Workspace email with your domain, but you don't have the login details or you don't know that you purchased an email with this domain. So in this case, if you follow my video, you can free up your domain. So let's get started. Just open your any browser from your computer and search Google admin toolbox recovery. Just enter this or search this, then you can find toolbox Google apps just or Google admin toolbox recovery. Just open this website. I open this website, and in this step you have to input your domain name. My domain name is techsupportbd.net. After inputted your domain name, just click continue. After continue, you can see this page. You have to input your contact email address on here. You can input your any personal email address on here. So I'm inputting my personal email address. After that, just click continue. You can see this option. Yes, I have signed up this domain earlier, and no, this is my first time to sign up this domain. So I have signed up this domain earlier, so I selected this. Just click continue, and after click continue, we can see I want to free up this domain or I want to recover access to this account. So I don't need to recover access to this account because I don't know the login details. So I want to free up this domain. Just click continue. After continuing, just confirm your domain and contact email address. Click I'm not robot and then click continue. Generating a verification reference. Please wait, as this can take up to a minute. In this step, you have to add a txt record or CNAME record on your domain DNS provider. So I will add CNAME record. You can add txt record as well, that's not a problem. So just copy label host or data, and already I open my domain DNS provider. So you have to open your domain DNS provider and you have to add a CNAME record. Name should be this one and destination google.com. So I target destination google.com, and TTL is not mandatory. You can input it 3600 second or you can leave it default. So just click add record. So I added CNAME record, so that's okay. If it is not work, then you can add txt record as well. So I am adding txt record as well. Just type txt and name should be add and txt value is this one, and add record. After add record, you have to wait sometimes on here for DNS propagating. I'm waiting in this step. So after waiting around 10 or 15 minutes, you have to click check again. Actually it depends on your domain DNS provider. So I click check again. So here you go, it's work. You can now submit your request to free up domain, recommended, request to contact admin. Just click submit request. So after submit request, you can receive like this message: your request has been received. You will receive 2 email on your contact email address like this. Request for techsupportbd.net. Hello, thank you for contacting the Google Workspace support team. So this is the first email, and after submitting request for free up domain, so you will receive like this email: thank you for raising a case with Google Workspace support. We will review your case and reply within 1 business day. So after 1 business day, your domain will be free and you will receive a email about free up domain on your contact email address. So I think this video is helpful for your work. Thank you.